Hey guys, I have done something that I'd like to call CSS enhance, and these are the violin section 1, the violin sections 2. But before I show you what that sounds like, let's listen to the mix position of the CSS to hear how this sounds normally without my enhancements. Now closer and crisper. Much crisper, clearer, closer. Again, here was the main, the mix position. A great sound, but kind of, as some people have said, dark, a little roomy sounding. And you might be thinking, oh, that's simply the close mics. Well, here are the close mics without any tweaking, and I'll let you see. Here's the close mics for first violins and the close mics for the second violins. So then the next thing you must be thinking is, oh, well, that's easy. I mean, they just sound really narrow. Maybe you widened it. Maybe you just, delayed the right side a little bit. And now let's listen to my enhanced version. So you can still see that there's a more going on. So what is that? So what I've done is nothing dramatic, nothing crazy, but it delivers this really, really cool sound. So these are the violin section 1. What I've done is I've centered the samples to 57R, meaning I've moved the audio to the right 57 on inside of contact. And the reason I've done that is because when you use the direction mixer spread on the samples, when it's normally centered like this, it ends up throwing the audio very, very, very much to the left. And I don't like that. So I'd rather center it all, spread it out, and make it sound good. And then I can, turn it more to the left or more to the right after the fact. So this widens it a bit. But then I want to kind of balance both sides a little bit. Then I do the same thing with violins 2. I tweak it to the right until it's about centered, and for the violins 2 I found that about 32 kind of centers the image of the sound for the close mics. And then same thing with the direction mixer 1.5. For the sample delay though, I kind of did the opposite. So for this one it was 10 milliseconds on the right, for this one 10 milliseconds on the left, just so it all balances out. You play them together. And then if we add some strings, trailer strings, the cellos, and maybe add some reverb. And yeah, there you have it, the enhanced cinematic studio strings by simply centering the stereo image in contact, direction mixing it to 1.5, and sample delaying the right 10 milliseconds for the first violins, sample delaying it 10 milliseconds for the left, and doing the same thing with the direction mixer. And for violins 2, to center it, I did 32, whereas for violins 1, I did 57 or 56. Sometimes when you open it up, it's weird. It doesn't let you do the exact same one as before. But 56, 57, and 32 for the second violins. And that creates a really cool sound. Again, let's go to what it was before. This is again before with closed mics. Oops, sorry, sample delay off. And then my enhanced version. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and you can use this in Cinematic Studio Strings to make amazing, beautiful compositions. Alright.